We could be looking at some development there in the Gulf. We think it's going to be very slow, and probably the primary impact across Florida is going to be heavy rain regardless of what happens in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's really going to be coming in tomorrow night and into Thursday and on into Friday. I want to tell you about some general but useful advice about tropical systems, and that is hide from the wind but run from the water. And let's take a look at the fatality statistics from 1963 to 2012. You can see that 15% died either offshore or in the surf or from tornadoes. Another 5 to 10% died from the wind. There's an unknown value of 5 right there, so that's why this figure is 5 to 10. But look at this, 25% of fatalities occur in inland flooding and 50% occur in the surge. So 75% of the fatalities related to tropical storms and hurricanes are related to the water threat, and some studies put that as high as 90%. And that's why we say generally hide from the wind and run from the water. All right, so what's going on right now in Florida? Well, we've got a very wet week ahead. A storm is possible here. You can see the rain now coming into southwest Florida. It's lighter than it was yesterday at this time, but there's a big, massive rain that's generally going to be coming up and across the state. It is Invest 91L, so designated by the Hurricane Center, at least as of last night, and they may actually fly into the system to see what's going on with it, to see if it's going to get a little bit more organized. But there is some shear here, and right now that's why everything is on the right-hand side. There's a little mid-level center that's right about there. Now, I want to show you the model depiction. You can see the wind getting a bit stronger coming into southwestern Florida, western Florida Thursday afternoon. That may kick up the waves, a rip current risk. Also, notice the winds at the surface coming across the state out of the east-southeast there on Thursday afternoon, while the winds just above the surface at about 5,000 feet are coming out of the south. That is shear, and that shear may actually produce some water spouts and tornadoes there in western Florida on Thursday. So that'll be something to watch for.